What would you like to bite on? You want a bite of my drone? Well, you can't have a bite of my drone. Do you know what this is? What is this? This one spins. Look, it spins. See? See? It spins. Where you going? Where you going, boy? And now he's running away. You heard the propellers? Let's try the propellers again, see if he does anything. Look. Look, can you hear the propellers? Oh, he's busy. Wow, that was really nice. What about you, Mr. Puppy? What you looking for? There you go. Wow. Some of the nicest puppies or dogs I've seen. Well, these are puppies. Both of them are puppies. Look at them walking together. I'm sure they're different breeds, aren't they? I'm sure they are. Probably same, but I don't know. Look, it seemed different breeds. So I'm not sure, but I like these dogs. Oh, he's having a dump again. But I don't get it. When this one has a dump, he lifts his backside up, so he's standing on his front 2 feet. I don't understand if that's deliberate or don't know what it is. If you guys can tell, let me know. Ooh, there are some nice flowers here. I'm very fond of flowers. So these are very nice. Wow. Look at these plants. There are some yellow ones and pink ones, red ones. If you guys know the name of these plants, flowers, let me know, comment down below.